Nature Trail. Author Rajiv. Eipe. Illustrator Rajiv. Eipe. Can you spot 1. A spider. 2. A white-throated kingfisher on a branch. 3. A green bee-eater with an insect in her beak. 4. A magpie robin singing a song. 5. A bag of carelessly thrown garbage. 6. An aeroplane. 7. A squirrel. 8. A praying mantis on a leaf. 9. A paradise flycatcher with spiky hair and a lo-ong tail. 10. 3 mushrooms. 11. A dead ant. 12. A black drongo with a forked tail. Can you spot 1. A spider. 2. A white-throated kingfisher on a branch. 3. A green bee-eater with an insect in her beak. 4. A magpie robin singing a song. 5. A bag of carelessly thrown garbage. 6. An aeroplane. 7. A squirrel. 8. A praying mantis on a leaf. 9. A paradise flycatcher with spiky hair and a lo-ong tail. 10. 3 mushrooms. 11. A dead ant. 12. A black drongo with a forked tail.